CJ with another Photoshop tutorial where I will show you how to make an image have color while the rest is black and white, hence the term color splash. For this tutorial, you can use an image off Google Images where I got this image. Once you have your image opened in Photoshop, start by right-clicking on the image layer. Then select Duplicate Layer. You can rename this layer or leave it as is, then press OK. Now choose the black and white adjustment in the Adjustments panel with the new duplicate layer selected. So you can either go over here in the Adjustments panel, or you can go to Layers, New Adjustment Layer, and Black and White. Then click OK to create the adjustment layer. Select the Layer Mask thumbnail, then select the Paintbrush tool. Make sure the brush's color is set to black and the opacity to 100%. Now just brush over the image you want to color. Just like this. And that's it. A very easy way to add color to black and white images. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching.